guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl, that girl Tony, coming right at you. And in my last video I was talking about how to start a YouTube channel in 2021. I made a promise that I'm going to show you guys tips, that's YouTube tips, and for today it's gonna be how to create a YouTube banner or a YouTube channel art. This is a tutorial that I really want to share with you guys because I believe every YouTuber actually needs a YouTube channel art. So this tutorial actually going to have two devices, the one being your phone, and on the phone I'm going to use PicsArt, and on a laptop I'm going to be using Canva Pro, and not just Canva but Canva Pro, because Canva Pro has a lot of features that a normal Canva would not have. So guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys, and let's get straight into the tutorial. This is how PicsArt looks like once it is opened on your phone, and it is made available for Android and iPhone. But before we go into the tutorial, ensure you've downloaded YouTube banner template from Google Chrome, as well as your background, be it an aesthetic background or a plain background. And so this is how the YouTube banner template looks like. It has a place for the mobile, it has a section for the tablets, and it has a section for desktop magazine, and it actually shows how your banner will actually appear on a mobile phone or on a tablet or on a laptop. We're going to add the background right now. I downloaded an aesthetic background because I just love the color. The color is so nice. Once you've actually done that to your banner, you actually have to add your background. Ensure that you actually crop the background in a way that the size actually fits into the template, because if you have like the template, or let's say the background actually covering more of the picture because it has a particular size that it actually has to be for your banner. YouTube banner actually has a size or a dimension of 2560 to 1440, so that's the size basically. So now that you have your template ready, what you have to do, you have to get your picture and then remove the background. As you can see here, you can actually remove the background. This is not my picture, but you can actually remove the background. You can actually erase or actually brush. But I've removed the background of my own picture already. This is the picture that I'm going to be using. My two pictures, I actually chose the pictures. And so ensure that your picture, make it small so that it can actually fit into the template or into the banner that you actually want to produce. After inserting the pictures into your template, ensure that you actually put in a section whereby it can be seen on a mobile phone, even your pictures to be seen on a mobile phone. So ensure that you actually move your pictures to be seen, like to cover the mobile phone area. So up next, you have to add text to your banner. Add text to it, and the text actually be your YouTube name, and my own YouTube channel name is That Girl Toyin. So that is what I'm going to be using for my template or for my YouTube banner. And yeah, you can actually play with the font size, you can actually play with the colors, you can actually play with the stroke, you can actually play with opacity. It depends on you, but a lot of people actually play with the colors because they be like, okay, white is not actually good, let me look for other colors. There's blue, there's pink, there's black, there's red, there's orange, there's any color that you want to play with. The font size, it has so many font size. I really did not get the name of most of them, but I think what I'm going to use, I'm going to be using a monotone. I just like how it looks like, so I'm going to be picking monotone. I'm not picking stroke dimension, I don't want that. But ensure that you actually place the name to where you actually want it to be. Like, you don't want your name to be covering your face, because your face is where the money is. So ensure that you actually place it in a way whereby it doesn't cover your face, and ensure you use the right font size that you want to use. It depends on you. You can use anyone that actually befits your own taste. And also, picking of colors, there are several colors for you to pick. I'm gonna be using black. Yeah, I think I picked black. Yes, so I'm gonna be using a black color, and also I'm gonna pick in a monotone. Up next that you want to do is you actually want to put up what your channel is all about. If your channel is all about faith, if your channel is about lifestyle, about economics, like about teaching economics, or if it's about gaming, it depends on whatever you actually want it to be. So up next, you're going to add what your channel is actually all about. This is what my channel is all about. My channel is all about entertainment, tips, and lifestyle, because this YouTube banner is actually a tip, or let's say tutorial. And so you can also play with the font side, just play around with the colors, play around with whatever you want, the stroke, the opacity. Just play around with it, and you can actually just pick a final color that you want. Then up next is you can actually add the subscribe button. Then you click on stickers. Then after clicking on stickers, then you search for the YouTube subscribe button. Then actually add the YouTube subscribe button to it, because people just want to just see your banner without having the subscribe button. Like, why did you create banner in the first place? And then up next, you're actually going to download also the like and share button. You can just place it on the right hand side or left hand side, because that is just the mobile. This is how it's going to be shown on mobile, but then you need what's going to be shown on desktop as well as the tablet. This stage actually depends on what you really want. Either being, if you want a subscribe button, just pick different colors of subscribe buttons that you want. Depends on you. Pick the like and share, pick anything that you want. This stage is actually on you, so you can add any. But me, I'm going to be adding a lot of things to it because I know I love paparazzi, like Lady Gaga, paparazzi. So actually look for the YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, like where you have the compilation of the 4 of them. Really place it on any side, depends on how you want to do it. This is actually how you create a YouTube banner. Ensure you actually download the template from Google Chrome, and also ensure you actually download a fun background, be it a plain background or an aesthetic background, and then just begin to play around. That is a wrap for the video, and I hope you guys actually enjoyed the video. And to be honest, the creation of a YouTube banner or a YouTube channel art is actually very easy. And so guys, this is how mine actually looks like. I actually love how it looks right now. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be on Canva Pro. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.